Outliers. An outlier is a data value that is much smaller or much larger than the rest of the data set. It may still be a genuine piece of data. Now, this is all well and good as a definition when you're in year 7 or year 8, but as you move through the years, you'll find ways of calculating exactly whether a piece of data is an outlier or not. For now, they should be obvious. We want to find the mean, mode, and median of the data that we're given here. Now, I'm going to sort it into order. So the 5 clearly is the smallest. And then the next smallest, I think, is the 28. Then I have a 29. And then the next smallest after that, I believe, is the 35. There's a 36 just here. There's 2 of those. And then I've got a 38, a 39, and a 41. So 38, 39, and finally 41. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of data. So if we do the mean, we just need to add them up. So we've got 36, add 39, add 28, add 35, add 41, add 29, add 38, add 36, add 5, and there were 9 pieces of data. And so I'll call that 31.9. So the mean is obviously the 36, add 39, add up to 5, divided by 9, and that was 31.9 to 1 dp. Now 9 pieces of data for the median. 9 plus 1 divided by 2 is 5, so we want the 5th piece of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the first of the 36s. And so we can say that the median is 36. The mode is also 36 because there are 2 of those and only 1 of everything else. So find the mean, mode, and median of the data if the outlier is removed. So we've decided this is clearly the outlier. It's way smaller than the rest of the data. And we're going to remove that. It wasn't a genuine piece of data. So let's see what happens when we remove that 5. Remember now we've only got 8 pieces of data. So if I just tidy this up here because we're going to use this again, and of course the 5's no longer in the list. So our mean this time is going to be 36, add 39, and so on, but not with the 5. So finished on that last 36, and we're dividing by 8 now because we've got less data. Now I might be able to just edit that on my calculator. If I just go back, I can change that to an 8. And if I go back there, I'll just remove the 5. That should give me 35.25. So it's a big jump because that outlier is quite small. So we've jumped all the way up from there to there. And I think if you look at the data, 35.25 is more representative of where the middle is. Now, for the median, this time it's 8 plus 1 divided by 2, which is 4.5. It tells us we need to be between the 4th and the 5th pieces of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's in there. So it's still 36, but it's between the two 36s rather than being one of them. And the mode is still 36.